If you want to do some math on your Google Docs, you can use this. You can view, click on view, then use this equation. Then you will see this, and then you can use the new equation, and then you can put anything you want. For example, if you want a math operation, you can press on this one. If you want this, you can also use this one. There's also this. For example, we are going to use this AB, let's say 10 and 2. You can easily navigate this with your arrow key. So if I want to go up, I just press up and down, down, down. 10 to 2 plus 5, something like that. And this thing is different from your normal letter. You can still type like how you would do, and that is basically how you're able to put an equation on your Google Docs. Just through this view and your equation. That easy. You can also put the symbol 2 right here.